Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of effective communication, listening before speaking. In a world filled with noise, truly understanding others can set you apart. Stick around as we explore how mastering this skill can transform your personal and professional relationships. 1. The importance of listening communication isn't just about talking, it's about connecting. And connection starts with listening. Studies show that active listening can significantly enhance relationships, reduce misunderstandings, and foster trust. Think about a time when someone truly listened to you. How did that make you feel? Valued? Understood? That's the power of listening. 2. Understanding. Active listening. Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and then remembering what is being said. It's more than just hearing words, it's about being present and engaged. Key components include paying full attention, avoid distractions, and focus on the speaker, showing that you're listening. Use nods, eye contact, and affirmative words. Providing feedback, reflect on what's said by paraphrasing. Deferring judgment, avoid interrupting with counter arguments. Responding appropriately, share your thoughts respectfully and constructively. 3. Barriers to effective listening. Despite our best intentions, certain habits hinder our ability to listen. Prejudging the speaker, letting biases cloud our understanding, thinking ahead, formulating responses while the other person is speaking. Distractions, external noise, or internal thoughts pulling us away. 4. Techniques to enhance listening skills. To become a better listener, maintain eye contact, shows attentiveness, avoid interrupting, let the speaker finish their thoughts, ask open-ended questions, encourages deeper conversation, paraphrase and summarize, ensures understanding, provide feedback, share your perspective respectfully. 5. The role of empathic listening host, voiceover with emotional imagery. Empathic listening goes a step further by connecting with the speaker's emotions. It's about understanding not just the words, but the feelings behind them. 6. Transitioning from listening to speaking. After truly listening, it's your turn to speak. Here's how to do it effectively. Reflect on what's been said. Acknowledge the speaker's points. Share your perspective. Offer your thoughts clearly and concisely. Stay on topic. Keep the conversation focused. Be respectful. Even when disagreeing, maintain a courteous tone. 7. Practical applications. These skills are invaluable in various settings. Workplace enhances teamwork and conflict resolution. Personal relationships build stronger bonds. Customer service improves client satisfaction. 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Be wary of assuming you know what's coming. Stay open to the speaker's message, multitasking during conversations. Give your full attention, offering unsolicited advice. Sometimes people just want to be heard. 9. Developing your skills. To hone your listening and speaking abilities, practice mindfulness. Stay present in conversations. Seek feedback. Ask others how you can improve. Engage in active listening exercises. Role-playing can be beneficial. Conclusion. Effective communication starts with listening. By truly understanding others, we can respond thoughtfully, building stronger connections. Start practicing today and watch your relationships flourish. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.